Hi everyone, today we're going to continue talking about timelines in New York. Remember, last week we learned about timelines. Remember, a timeline is a number of events in time order. We were able to move the presidents on the timeline in order by the date. Today we're going to look at a timeline for transportation in New York. If you notice this timeline, you'll see how transportation changed over time in New York. In this box here, type about what you notice about the differences of the transportation over time. You can write in the box, click on the box, and write in it here. Then, we're going to continue learning about New York settlers over time. Our first one, we're going to start with the 1600s. Today, this is the first part we're going to start with, and then over the next few weeks, we'll continue learning about different people that settled in New York. We're going to read this paragraph about the Munsey's Indian tribe that were the first ones to settle in New York. As I read this paragraph, visualize about the Munsey's. What do you see? What do you hear? And later on, you're going to draw about something that you noticed in this passage. Get ready to listen. Munseys are part of an Indian tribe. The Munsey families lived in houses that were sometimes long and rectangular and sometimes dome-shaped with a round or oval or plan. Small trees were cut and pushed into the ground to make house walls and roof, and then covered with the sheets of bark or mats woven from cattails or rushes. Houses had opening in the roof to allow smoke from cooking and heating fires inside to escape. People slept on platform beds inside the house under which they could store things. The Munseys spent most of their time outdoors, hunting and doing the daily chores of collecting firewood, making clay pots and tending to their gardens. But in the winter, they stayed mostly inside, out of the weather, and by the ray, keeping them busy preparing for food and making clothing, tools, and other things. If you need to hear this again, just scroll back and you can listen to the paragraph again. After this paragraph, you're going to draw a picture of what you visualized during this paragraph. Draw your picture and then upload it here. Thank you, everyone. Can't wait to see your work.